Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Abdul Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taib, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 51. Dear students, you know that we have already finished our syllabus, but because of revised reduced syllabus, some of the questions are added in your chapter number 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I am going back from chapter number 3 to chapter number 6, inshallah. Those questions which are added, I will solve them and you may revise at home properly. Okay? So here we have exercise 3.3, question number 1. We are given part number 4 and 6. Find third proportional. Let third proportional is equal to x. In part number 6, we have p square minus q square, p square minus q square over pq plus qq, and also p minus q over p square minus pq plus q square. Dear students, we have let third proportional is equal to x, where p square minus q square over pq plus pq, p minus q, p square minus pq plus q square is given. Now by definition of third proportional, p square minus q square, pq plus qq ratio p minus q over p square minus pq plus q square proportion mean equal sign, then p minus q over p square minus pq plus q square ratio x. Remember that in case of third proportional, when you are given two terms, then the second term will be repeated to form the formal A ratio B proportion C ratio D. This is the formal relationship between the two values in this way. So product of extreme is equal to product of mean. We have x into p square minus q square over pq plus qq, that is equal to p minus q over p square minus q, pq plus q square into p minus q over p square minus pq plus q square. Dear students, you have to find the value of x. So take p square minus q square and pq plus qq on the other side. So definitely p square minus q square multiplied here, so it will be divided on the x side. And similarly pq plus qq will be multiplied on the right hand side. So we will have x is equal to pq plus qq into p minus q whole square. Remember that p minus q, p minus q, p minus q whole square over p square minus q square into p square minus pq plus q square into p square minus pq plus q square. Here we can open up the formula of pq plus qq. What is the formula of pq plus qq? That is p plus q into p square minus pq plus q square into p minus q whole square. Remember that p square minus q square is p minus q into p plus q into p square minus pq plus q square whole square. Remember that p plus q cancelled out, p minus q will cancel one power, and here p square minus pq plus q square will cancel this 1 power of denominator here. So we are left with p minus q over p square minus pq plus q square. So dear students, that was your third proportional. I hope that you understood this part. After that, we are given next question and we will solve in the same way. Here we can have question number 2. Yes, question number 2. Part number 3 and 5. So here we can have question number 2, part number 5. Or you can solve part number 3, it will be 2, it will be very easy for you. So I am solving those parts which I feel that will be difficult for you people. So inshallah, the second part you can solve easily. We have to find fourth proportional. Let fourth proportional, that will be equal to x. Part number 5 is p cube plus q cube, p square minus q square, and p square minus p cube plus q square, p cube plus q square. Let the fourth proportional be x, and remember that you always choose the letter for unknown which is not involved here. So there will be a clear difference. You can take fourth proportional as ABC and other than PQ. Similarly, I have taken X. So then, if this is fourth proportional, then PQ plus QQ ratio P square minus Q square proportion P square minus PQ plus Q square and ratio X. Product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So PQ plus QQ into X is equal to P square minus Q square into P square minus PQ plus Q square. Here X is equal to P minus Q into P plus Q into P square minus PQ plus Q square. Then bring this P cube plus Q cube to the right hand side. It is multiplied here, here it will be divided. Now you can open up the formula of p cube plus q cube. X is equal to p minus q, p plus q, p square minus p cube plus q square. Then you can open up the formula of p cube plus q cube. P square minus p cube plus q square. They are cancelled, p plus q cancelled, x is equal to p minus q. Now we have question number 3, find mean proportional. Question number 3, we have to find mean proportional. We will choose that letter which is not involved in your statement of question. Here we can have, yes, mean proportional, part number 3. 15 P4QR cube, P4QR cube, and 135 Q5R7. 135 Q5R7. R7. We have to find mean proportional. let mean proportional is equal to x. Remember that A and B are extremes. B and C are means. Then 15P4QR ratio x proportion x ratio 135Q5R7. Dear students, you can check. Here is product of extreme is equal to product of mean. These are means and these are extremes. So x square is equal to 15P4QR into 135Q5R7. So x square is equal to, now you can multiply 135 by 15. 135 by 15. That is 2025 P4. Then Q is, this is Q1 and this is Q5. If the bases are same, powers are added. So Q6 and R7 and R3 here are 10. So you can take x square under root 2025 P4 Q6 R10 square root on both sides. Now taking square root on both sides, we will have the square root of 2025. That is 2025, that is 45. That will be plus minus 45 P square, because square root is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 will cancel 4 as 2. Q6 will be Q3 and this will be R5. So dear students, that was your question number. Yes, that was your question number 3, part 3. And after that we have question number 4, part 2. What is question number 4? Find unknown. Part number 2. 8x and 18. 8x and 18, if they are in continued proportion. Remember that continued proportion. What is meant by continued proportion? A, B, C, D. Continued proportion means A over B is equal to B over C is equal to C over D, like that. They are in continued proportion. Here you can write down 8 over x is equal to x over 18. Then cross multiplying, x square is equal to 8 into 18. So x is equal to what will be? This is 144. Taking square root on both sides, x is equal to plus minus 12. So dear students, that was your exercise 3.3. After that we have exercise 3.4. Remember that in exercise 3.4 we have the formula Componendo and Dividendo theorem. And we have alternando, invertendo theorems in your exercise 3.4. In exercise 3.4, we have componendo dividendo theorem. If A over B is equal to C over D, then A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D. This is known as componendo dividendo theorem. A over B is equal to C over D. A plus B over A minus B. C plus D over C minus D. This is the formula. Here we are given exercise 3.4. Question number 1, part 4, 5 and 7. Remember that I think you can do part number 4 and 5, and part 7 is a little bit lengthy, so we can do this part. Question number 1, part number 7. Question is, prove that A ratio B is equal to C ratio D if 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D over 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D is equal to 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D, 2A minus 3B minus 2C plus 3D. Dear students, remember that this is our answer. Yes, A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. This is our required answer, and this is given. So by using componendo and dividendo theorem here, using componendo dividendo theorem, okay, we have numerator, add the denominator in numerator and subtract the denominator from numerator. This is componendo and dividendo theorem. Add denominator in numerator and subtract denominator from numerator on both sides, the same technique. We will have 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D, then plus 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D. This is addition and there is addition in the center. Here 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D minus 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D. That is equal to, in numerator you will add denominator, 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D plus 2A minus 3B minus 2C plus 3D divided by 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D minus 2A minus 3B minus 2C plus 3D. Here we will open up the brackets, and denominator there is a change of sign. 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D plus 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D whole divided by 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D minus 2A minus 3B plus 2C plus 3D. Here we have 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D plus 2A minus 3B minus 2C plus 3D divided by 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D minus 2A plus 3B plus 2C minus 3D. Dear students, now you can cancel 2c plus and minus 2c plus 3d and minus 3d. Similarly, 3b plus and minus 3b and 2a plus and minus 2a. Similarly, we have 3d and 3d cancelled out, and we have plus 2c and minus 2c cancelled out. Here 2a and 2a cancelled out, and 3b and 3b are cancelled out. Dear students, we are left with 2a plus 2a is 4a plus 6b. 4a plus 6b over 4c plus 3 plus 6d. 4c plus 6b is equal to 4a minus 6b. 2a plus 2a, 4, 3a, 3b and 3b minus 6b. Then 4c minus 6d. Here we have, dear students, this is AB and this is CD. This is AB and this is CD. By alternando property mean they are interchanged. They are interchanged. 4a plus 6b over 4a minus 6b. 4c plus 6d over 4c minus 6d. So dear students, again we apply componendo and dividendo here. Using componendo and dividendo property, we have in numerator, denominator is added. From numerator, denominator is subtracted. Remember that I have opened directly 4a plus 6d, then applied minus 4a and plus 6b. Similarly, 4c plus 6d plus 4c minus 6d. Here is 4c plus 6d minus 4c plus 6d. 6b cancelled out, 4a cancelled out, 6d cancelled out, 4c cancelled out. Dear students, we have 8a over 12b is equal to 8c over 12b. A over b, bring this 8 over 12 on the other side, it will become 12 over 8. Then 8c over 12b. 8 cancelled out, 12 cancelled out. A over b is equal to c over d, or you can say A ratio b is equal to c ratio d. Dear students, that was A ratio b is equal to c ratio d, and you got that A ratio b is equal to c ratio d. That is your answer. I hope that you understood this lesson. That was your question number 1, part 7 of exercise 3.4. After that, we are given question number 2. In question number 2, part 3 and 9 are added. 3 and 9 are added. Part number 3 is find the value of x minus 6a over x plus 6a minus x plus 6b minus x plus 6b over x minus 6b. You have to find the value of this. If given is x is equal to 12ab over a minus b. 12ab over a minus b. First of all, you look at this part. What you have to find, here is x minus 6a, x plus 6a. If you bring 6a down of x and then apply componendo and dividendo, you will get x plus 6a over x minus 6a. Again, listen. I have to break down 12ab into 6a into 2b in such a way that 6a will be shifted to the denominator of x, and then applying componendo and dividendo, then you will get x plus 6a over x minus 6a. Then you will take invertendo property and you will get this one. Next time what you will do, you will bring 6b from here to the denominator of x. To find this portion, you will break down 12ab as 6b into 2a, and 6b will be shifted to the denominator of x, and then again apply componendo and dividendo and you will get this portion. Dear students, that will be equation number 1, here is equation number 2, then subtract to find your right hand side, that will be your required answer. So in this way, we have to convert our question in this form. 12ab can be written as 6a into 2b over a minus b. Bring 6a down of x, 2b over a minus b. Using componendo dividendo property. Componendo dividendo property. X plus 6a over x minus 6a. 2b plus a minus b over 2b minus a 2a minus b. This will be a plus b. 2b minus b is b. This is 2b minus a plus b. X plus 6a over x minus 6a. A plus b over 3b minus a. 2b plus b is 3b. X plus 6a over x minus 6a. Using invertendo property. In case of invertendo property, you invert, you take reciprocal. X minus 6a over x plus 6a, 3b minus a over a plus b. This is your equation number 1. I told you we have made this portion. For equation number 1. After that, for finding this portion, again, x is equal to 2a into 6b over a minus b. You will bring 6b down, 2a over a minus b. Using componendo and dividendo, you will have x plus 6b over x minus 6b, 2a plus a minus b over 2a minus into a minus b, x plus 6b over x minus 6b is equal to 3a minus b over 2a minus a plus b, 3a minus b over a plus b, x plus 6b over x minus 6b. This is your equation number 2. Here is equation number 1. Dear students, that is your equation number 1, which gives this portion. Here is equation number 2, it gives this portion. Now subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Left minus left. Over right minus is equal to right minus right. 3b minus a over a plus b. 3a minus b over a plus b. Here is, yes boys, you can check. Left minus left, we got this left hand side, which was required. Its value will be found out. And right hand side, simply find right hand side, we will get our required answer. Take a plus b as LCM. A plus b cancelled out, 3b minus a. Minus, if there is a negative sign, write down the terms inside the brackets. Otherwise, you will do the mistake of sign. 3b minus a minus 3a plus b over a plus b. Dear students, we have minus 3a and minus a is minus 4a and plus 4b over a plus b. Here you can take minus 4 common. That will be a minus b over a plus b. Dear students, that is your answer. I hope that you understood this question. Dear student, that was your question number 2, part number 3. I hope that you understood this question and you will apply this method to solve the other parts. And with the help of practice, inshallah, you will do better in your test and exam. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.